Do you want to run? Ready, set, go! Go, Nora! So this is part of what's so cool about being full-time. It's travel day. Nora is being super cranky in the car today. We only have about an hour and a half to 2 hour drive total. And I think we've made it an hour and this is our third time stopping. But we're not in a hurry and it's really cool. Yeah, I can't stress enough how much I love this lifestyle. Do you guys like this lifestyle?
Yeah. I could dance around.
Yeah, you can dance in the middle of this parking lot, wherever we are. Plant City, Florida.
Daddy,
Oh, you want to race? Okay.
All the way to the other tree, now I do the other one. Okay? I'll go beside.
The trees? Wait, those over there? Go! Oh, me and Nora won!
Okay, let's go to there.
You want your water?
Now this time it's only me and you got the.
We're gonna race?
Yeah.
Okay. I just had to prove to Ezra that I could still beat him in a race. It was a good race, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Am I fast?
Yeah.
Faster than a rocket?
I don't think so, but
Yeah. So, the truth of it all, I'm sure I'm going to be a little sore tonight because I did sprint.
How do you bring hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate?
That's pretty easy.
Really hot when we left the campground. This is only 15 miles away, but the breeze is coming off of the ocean. It's a little chilly. About 3 p.m. on a Friday. How clear this water is. Man. Amazing.
Daddy,
Yeah.
there's so many shells here for us to make our sandcastle.
Awesome. Oh, cool beans. Whoa, come here. Come here.
Whoa.
Ruru and I swam out here, right? Did we swim out here?
Uh-huh.
Do you like it?
Mhm.
What's your favorite part?
Going so deep.
All right, we missed the sunset, but we're here for the post-sunset. And that's all that matters, right, babe?
It sounds very rowdy.
Yeah, there's a party going on somewhere. Hey, what are we here for?
Geocache.
All right,
For
let's see.
geocache.
It's showing it's right over here somewhere. Yeah, this one was really hard to find, actually. We were checking in these bushes, the fence, the trees, and then finally I thought, I wonder if this thing lifts up, and it does. This lifts up, and it's a super duper tiny one. This is the log. We're gonna put it back in there. Put it back in there. And ta-da, all done.
And then next time I don't know where it is.
Yeah, we should go try to find another one though, right?
That's mother's dog.
All right, we're off to our second geocache. It's just a couple miles down the road from the other one. There's two of them in this same area here we're gonna try to get, and they're micro, so 3 micros today.
One thing up there.
Look in this tree, Rue. Look, follow this branch up. Yeah, we were looking on the ground. There it is.
You found it again.
Sorry, guys.
What?
All right.
What in now?
Well, we got to sign it.
In my tree.
Open it up. I brought a pen this time. A scroll.
And then.
So my pen was going dead, so I just signed TBT for the Blues Travelers. And let's put this one back. Off to the next. There's what? A bag? That's probably it. All right, the kids found it. We're inside these 3 signs. It's inside of this, and it velcros up there. Blues Travelers found it. I don't know. Check out the moon. It's super bright. We're here at Anna Maria Island again. We just watched the sunset. Ezra lost one of his shoes. It's crazy though, the sunset's here like super fast. Like you'll see it and then within a couple minutes, boom, gone. Still a beautiful horizon. Look what Reagan found. Once the sun goes down, everybody leaves. The place cleared up pretty quick.